Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rani here. Today I will be making rice soap using rice paste. So I have boiled some rice and turned into a smooth paste by blending. And today I choose jojoba oil, but we need to be careful not to use too much. More than 5% can result in a soft bar with a poor lather. So I have kept it at 2%. You can find the detailed recipe in the description box below, so check it out. For essential oil, I decided to use Theme essential oil today, but it accelerated the process a bit too much, making the soap batter harden fast than expected. So I had to work fast and get the batter into the mold before it became too difficult to work with. Soap making is always an adventure and experimenting. Sometimes when the soap batter is accelerated, I turn into a hot process method. I will simply cook the batter for a few minutes. Plus, hot process soap creates a beautiful texture and a rustic look for the soap. And by adding rice paste into the soap, not only makes smooth and silky batter, but also smooth in a bar of soap. You can see in the further video, the batter of the soap is smooth. Rice is having amazing benefits to skin. It helps in exfoliating, removes excess oil, it protects from sun damage, tightens the skin. We can use rice in soap making in different ways. We can make rice milk, then we can use a rice flour, rice paste like in this recipe. In future videos, I will try to make a different rice method in soap making. Here you can see how the batter is smooth, but after adding the essential oil, it's accelerated. I cut the soap after 48 hours and there was lots of glycerin rivers, so it's not an issue. Thank you so much guys for your support. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button so I will know that you like my videos, and write your opinion about my videos in the comment box so I can correct myself. Thank you for watching my videos.